Good morning, traders. It's Friday, June 26th at 4:16 a.m. All right, two stocks for you today. We've got Micron, MU, and we've got SPCX. So let's go ahead and have a look. Micron, we've got the largest trades in the last month. We can see here this consolidation. We moved up into prints, back to collect more, and then we shot up. And right here at the top, we've got over 1 million shares here, around $1,200. And so we've tested that. We've got this. We've tested, pulled back to the 4 exponential moving average. We've got this massive hammer here, and now we're starting to retrace. So we've got the 4 exponential moving average, the 8, and back into these prints. Otherwise, we need to get above this candle here in order to go long. So let's go ahead and map this out intraday. We're going to be bullish above 12.12. We've got to get up here. It looks like there's extra space, but we got pivots and cams in the way. We've got the 4 and the 8 exponential moving average. We got this. We got my 200 exponential, 200 simple, and we got a bunch of prints. So going long here might be difficult. So let's get above 12.12, target 12.24.44, which is a cam, 12.35.32, 12.46, 20. Then we've got 12.60, 12.66, 94 is R1. The ATR in this one's about $100 at the moment. It was a little more volatile before. Bearish below 11.48. Let's get below here. This support here, it's a double pivot and cam sitting right there. Target 11.40, 11.20, 1100. Then 1087.99 is a 483K print. Then we've got 1086.80, 1082.93. So this is a big support here with a pivot cam and this almost 500,000 right there. Then we got 1064.10 for 500,000, 1045.58, which is 690K. So that gets us back into these prints as well. And you can see this is a jagged. It's still an uptrend. We're pulling back, so we'll have to see if it holds there. All right, let's switch over to SPCX. Okay, so SPCX, the deal here, 150 was the IPO price. Look at all of these prints. So we actually opened here June 12th. We came up, look at these massive prints, 3 million, 1.7, 2.5, all of this, we're below all of them. So it looks like institutions on this up thrust, whoever got caught at 225, I feel for you. On this day when the options actually opened, which was the Tuesday, I think it was June 16th, then all of a sudden we had this big pin up top, big gravestone doji almost, arguably, and then just this volume, and we're below all of these prints now. So this is all overhead resistance according to institutional positions. So let's go ahead and see what we can do. So watch this 150 level. We're testing the IPO price. Bullish above 153. Let's get above this mess that's right here. Target 153.98, which is my 200 exponential as well. 154.55 is my 200 simple and the pivot. This might be it, essentially. If we come back up here and start rolling over, then it's a good shorting entry. 154.95 is next. 155.93. 157.04 is the beginning of these prints on the upside, which is 1.3 million. And then we've got 155.93, 157.04. I mentioned that. 158.86 is a cam, 159.10 and 11 is 2.5 million. So if we can get above here anyway, we've got some pockets on the upside. It's looking bearish anyway. On the downside, we're going to be bearish below 150. Let's get below here. Target 148.45, 147.14. Then we've got 145, 143.90 is S2, 142.14. Then we've got 140, 135, 133.25 is S3, which would usually be oversold. So anyway, that's a 17-point move on that one. Okay, there you have it. Those are your two trade setups for today. So please like, share, subscribe. Leave some comments in the comment section below, and we'll see you tomorrow with all new. We'll see you Monday with all new trade setups. Happy trading. MobyTick has partnered with TrendSpider to bring real-time institutional trades to your charts. Click the link in the description below for more details.